Hey, it's me, Discount Me, back with my totally original show. Fuck. There's no towels. Oh, that's on the last episode. Somehow, in the span of 3 hours. But so, you've been eating a lot of meals. Now you need a drink. So, to start off, you need a nice flavor palette. So you start out with French's crispy fried onions. They're the best. So you put them in the cup. And then it needs a little seasoning, so just go for your local bottle of cayenne pepper and sprinkle a decent amount in. And next, for the actual liquid part, Powerade, because empowerment. And now for this next part, you're gonna need to find yourself an apple and crack it.
Max, that's an egg.
I mean an egg. And then you add that. Just do whatever with the other part. And then for the final... What is this clip? Oh, there we go. You add oyster hexagons. Looking tasty. So, and then you add a little more cayenne pepper for that palate. And then top the rest off. And then you put this in the freezer, or freezer, for 2.6 million years. And then you'll have yourself a nice beverage. So, now what you're gonna need to do is head back over to the fridge. You take it out, you put it in the fridge, you thaw it out, and you'll have yourself a really irritating phone notification and your nice, nutritious drink.